In today's video, I'm going to be showing you from experience how I was able to get some rewards from this platform and how you also can do the same. Now, when you take a look at the home button, you can see this particular icon and scratch it. You can see invite and redeem. Now, the moment you click on this redeem right here, it's going to show you the available coins you have. That is the 100 coins you have. Now, the moment you register with the link on the pinned comment section, it's going to direct you over to where you need to download the rightful app for this. Now, but before we proceed with this video and how you can leverage this platform and everything you need to know, my review experience and past knowledge about this crypto. If you're coming across the channel for the first time or you're hearing this voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joachim. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online, make reviews, and also do some other things that can be helpful to you in today's world. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. And for my returning subscribers, I say kudos to you for always coming back to support this channel. Now, this particular platform is a user-friendly platform where anyone can actually have some benefits with. Now, this is my shared experience and this is not a financial advice. You can also do your own due diligence to understand properly how this platform works, as this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Now, this is the experience I have actually gotten from this platform, and the moment you set up an account on this platform, you are going to be seeing how it works, as it directly explains itself. So what you're going to be doing right on this platform is to first of all set up an account for yourself, which is very simple. The moment you click the link on the pinned comment section, it's going to take you over to your Play Store where you get to download this app. Pay close attention to the process so that you don't miss the points that will be accumulated to you as a new user. Now, the moment you download this particular app, it's going to bring you over to this interface. Just follow the prompt and get your account running. Most of you will ask, is it that we need a VPN? You don't need a VPN right on this particular platform, because most of my videos I get comments like, do I need to use a VPN? Now, you don't need a VPN to access this particular platform, and it works worldwide. I'm going to be showing the strategy that works directly on your own app. Now, the moment you download this particular app, the next thing you want to do right here is that once you used my link, you use my link on the pinned comment section, you are going to be giving 100 points right here. You can see this 100 coin. Now, the moment you get your account registered, come down to this particular scratch and win. Now, the moment you click on that, you can see how to earn scratch card. So click on that. Now you can see this is the step 1, how to earn scratch card. Step 1 is actually select a game to play and download it. Step 2 is to play a game for 1 minute. On each new game download, you will get a new scratch card. Now these scratch cards can actually give you 399 points on your account. Calculating 3.99 coin on your account plus your 100 coin you already have while downloading the app. So what you're going to be doing right now is to click on play game. Now it's going to ask you to continue. Look at what you're going to be seeing right here. So these steps are what you just need to do. You need to give permission to this. You need to select the game and you earn coin while doing this. Now let me go ahead to read this so you can understand where I'm going to. Now the step 1 to play and earn actually says you will need to accept the terms of service and grant the app usage permission to get paid per minute when playing the game. Means you need to give access to the app or the game you're downloading on your device. Now step 2 says select the game. You need to select a game before you can get rewards on this platform. Now I'm going to click on continue right here. Now the moment you click on continue, you can actually see that it's actually loading right here. Now you will be given access when you unlock this. You can see right here, what you just need to do is to click on agree and continue. Now the moment you click on agree and continue, please do not click on not now. Click on allow tracking. Now this is going to give tracking to the games you're playing on your device, so you need to permit this usage. Okay, so the moment you permit that, you can see right here that you might be getting something like this. So go ahead to give this access and click on OK. All right, so the moment you do this, you're already giving access to this platform to track the games you'll be playing on your device, and this is going to give you the benefit and access to get free access while doing all this. Now you can see the process I showed you right here. This is the same process you are going to be doing on your device to give access to it. Now you can see this idle back Tycoon Money Empire. So you can see max per tax and you can see the total. So go ahead to play this particular one, and for each game you play right here, you are going to be unlocking more surveys and rewards for yourself. This particular platform actually has surveys for you. Now the moment you do what I just showed you, you are going to be unlocking more games to your account. Okay, so when we go right here and click on play right here, I'm not going to be playing this game, but I'm just going to be showing you how it works. Now the moment you click on this idle back Tycoon Money Empire, you are going to be given some points for this. Now everything you do on this particular app, you're also going to be giving some points. So you're going to be installing this particular app on your device. That is if you actually want to go ahead with this. Remember that everything you're doing on this app, you will be giving points and coins for it, which means it's going to be accumulating for you when you follow the rightful process on this app. So now let's go back to this app so I can show you, because I don't actually want to play this game so it does not waste our time. Now the moment you come right here, you can see that you can go back to your main account. So let me go over to the account so you can see right here. Now when you come right here, you can see that surveys are actually on this app, as it also has the top offers. Now you can see right here it is locked, meaning you need to play at least one game to allow this to be unlocked. The moment you click on play games, it's going to allow you to have access to some features right on this platform. As you can see, we have top surveys and top offers. Bet me there are lots of particular surveys on this particular app, because you need to activate this. Now this top app, you can see everything is actually locked. This survey offers is also locked, meaning they actually want you to play at least one game to unlock this. Now the moment you play one game for this particular app, everything is going to be unlocked right here, both the top surveys and the top offers. Now that is actually how you can go about it. I mentioned something at the beginning of this video, which is the redeem. Now the moment you come under redeem, that is where you can actually place withdrawal on your account, because I know most of us will be asking, after accumulating all these coins, how am I going to be placing a withdrawal? Now you can see your check reward history. Now these are the ways you can actually redeem your rewards. We have the USDT, we have the Bitcoin and the likes of it. So some of us might have this wallet, and if you don't have this wallet, I have a more conducive wallet you can actually create that actually converts to naira. So if you need that, you can go ahead to comment you are new to crypto, and I'm going to be sending you the link to watch that video. Now you can see we have USDT, we have Bitcoin. So let me say I'm going to withdraw via the USDT. I'm going to click on USDT right here. You can see right here, once you have 500 coin right here, you can see that you will be able to place your first withdrawal. Now the moment you keep on accumulating your coins, you can see the threshold and how much you can be getting in dollar. Now the most important thing right here is that for every downloads you make right on this app, you'll be given a free scratch card, which means you can be getting 399 points to what you have, meaning getting more points on this particular platform is quite easy. Like I said, all you just have to do is to play a game right here and activate your rewards right here. So if you go over to your home button, you can see that you have this, but they are not unlocked. The moment you say you want to click on this particular 20 minutes top surveys, you are actually locked out. So to activate this, all you just have to do is to play a game right on this app. The moment you play a game right on this particular app, you are going to be seeing all these features unlocked to you. So you can also come right to this blue button and click on play now. Then you are going to be seeing the steps I just explained earlier. So the first thing you need to do right here for you to redeem more points to your account, you just have to play at least one game to unlock all these features. Then once these features are unlocked for you, you can go ahead to take your surveys, play games and accumulate your points. Now once you have accumulated enough points, come down to redeem, and you can redeem through different means right here. So you can see the threshold and the amount of coin needed to place your withdrawal. Now this is actually a shared experience and how you can leverage properly on this crypto and have full access to the futures right on this platform. However, this is not a financial advice. This is for educational and review purpose. Do your own research to also get to understand properly how this platform works. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, it's always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group. You can find the link on the pinned comment section where you get to understand properly how platforms like this works in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.